Once upon a time, in the vast, beautiful ocean, there lived a family of baby sharks. There were 20 baby sharks in total, each one unique and special in their own way. The leader of the baby shark was a brave and loving mother shark named Sirena. She was known for her wisdom, kindness, and unwavering love for her babies. Sirena's 20 baby sharks were a lively bunch, always swimming and playing together in the crystal clear waters of the ocean. Among them, there was a playful and mischievous shark named Finn, who loved to explore the deep sea and discover new hidden treasures. Finn was the adventurous one of the group, always eager to learn and experience new things. One day, while playing with his siblings, Finn stumbled upon a mysterious underwater cave that seemed to be shimmering with a magical light. Curious and excited, Finn decided to venture into the cave, despite his mother's warning to stay close to home. As he swam deeper into the cave, he discovered a beautiful mermaid princess trapped in a net, struggling to break free. Filled with compassion and bravery, Finn quickly sprang into action, using his sharp teeth to cut through the net and free the mermaid princess. The mermaid princess, whose name was Marina, was grateful to Finn for saving her and immediately felt a deep connection with him. From that moment on, Finn and Marina became the best of friends, spending their days exploring the wonders of the ocean together. As their friendship blossomed, Finn and Marina discovered a shared love for adventure, exploration, and the beauty of the underwater world. They swam together through colorful coral reefs, played games with schools of fish, and danced with playful dolphins in the open sea. Their bond grew stronger with each passing day as they laughed, shared stories, and created unforgettable memories together. However, their happiness was soon threatened by a fearsome sea monster known as the Dark Shark, who ruled over the ocean with an iron fist. The Dark Shark despised friendships between different sea creatures and was determined to destroy Finn and Marina's bond. He sent his army of vicious sharks to capture Marina and bring her to him, hoping to use her as bait to lure Finn into his clutches. Finn, determined to protect Marina at all costs, bravely stood up to the Dark Shark and his army. With the help of his siblings and the other sea creatures they had befriended, Finn launched a daring rescue mission to save Marina and defeat the Dark Shark once and for all. The battle was fierce and intense, but Finn's love for Marina gave him strength and courage to face his fears and fight for what he believed in. In the end, Finn and his siblings emerged victorious, defeating the Dark Shark and his army and saving Marina from his clutches. The ocean was once again filled with peace and harmony, thanks to the brave actions of Finn and his friends. Finn and Marina's friendship had stood the test of time and had only grown stronger through adversity, proving that love and courage could conquer even the greatest of challenges. Finn, determined to protect Marina, as the sun set on the horizon, casting a warm and golden light over the ocean, Finn and Marina shared a tender moment together. Gazing into each other's eyes with love and gratitude, they knew that their friendship was a treasure worth protecting and cherishing forever, and that no matter what challenges lay ahead, they would always have each other to rely on. And so, the story of Finn and Marina, the baby shark and the mermaid princess, became a legend in the ocean, inspiring future generations of sea creatures to believe in the power of love, friendship, and unity. The 20 baby sharks continued to play and swim together, knowing that as long as they had each other, they could overcome any obstacle and create a brighter, more beautiful world for all who dwelled in the vast, magical ocean.